Here we go.
This week, I visited FEMA headquarters in Washington.
Let him live, let him live.
To thank the emergency responding personnel. We're working 24/7 here in Florida.
Something is wrong with you.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I just don't want to miss it when you burst into flames.
Southwest, southeast, around the nation and the
I don't understand a word you just said.
for that matter. Historic floods, intense drought,
Do you speak any English?
extreme heat, deadly wire fires.
Interesting. Interesting.
Deadly wire fires. Deadly wire fires.
What the fuck is this?